I have no food. I can stroke you if you will not bite me. Promise not to bite me. I can stroke you. I can stroke you. I can stroke you. I have no food. I'm sorry, I have no food. I keep forgetting. No food. I can stroke you though. Can I stroke you? Can I stroke you? No? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. If you don't want to be stroked, that's fine. Or you have some pigeon friends. That pigeon, look at that pigeon. With the green neck. That's a fancy pigeon. There's one of your goose friends on a wild goose chase. I remember this pigeon. Always disturbing the other pigeons. You were here weeks ago or months ago. Leave the pigeon alone. Clearly they are not interested. Yeah, I remember this pigeon with this dash attack. They move really speedily along the ground. Seems to be the only pigeon with this ability. New Pokemon ability. Oh, look at this goose with the feathers. Ah, so beautiful. Oh, look at you, wonder of nature. That's beautiful. Oh, another bird has entered the fray. Birds of a feather. Oh, and look at you. Where have you gone? Ah, you stopped. You were... Oh, and someone else moving. Oh, they've gone. There they are. Oh no, they're gone. Seagulls. Looking suspicious as usual. Usual behaviour. Someone dropped a feather.